Hi everyone, I'm Mike, and I'll be showing you how to perform a retrospective meeting on Team O'Clock. And this is the interface that we will be performing the meeting on, and you can see separate columns where me and my team will be adding their notes, as well some dotted areas on the right and at the bottom to further customize the activity. You can also choose from activities that are already there by clicking the choose activity. You can see that there are many options here. Okay, for now we will stick to start, stop, continue. As you can see from the header here, I'm the facilitator of the meeting, so I'm responsible for setting this up and moving things forward. When I'm done setting up the retrospective, I can click the start button here so that now me and my team can start adding notes. Okay, let's start by adding a note on the continue column, clicking the add note button there, and I'll be adding a note regarding uh, my collaboration with Nikos. As I'm writing notes, you can see that other people are writing as well, yet their notes are hidden to remove any bias. So I'm not biased, but by their additions. Okay, and another one about long meetings. And the third one on more pairing sessions. Sessions. Okay, since I'm done, I'll be checking if Nikos is done as well. You looking at this green check over here, and I'll be proceeding to the next stage where we will be reading all the notes added and perform any actions to group them. Okay, as I can see here, uh, yeah, we both said about pairing, and I'll be moving Nikos, grouping Nikos note with mine by dragging and dropping, and we both said about meetings. Okay, now that we're done, um, I can proceed to the next stage. If Nikos is done as well, okay, here's the check where we will be voting on those notes. Since I'm the facilitator, I can set up how many votes each member has. Let's stick with 5 for now. At this stage, we can add our votes. To add a vote, click on the plus button next to each note. And you can add multiple notes by clicking again on that plus. And to remove a note, click on the vote which is represented as the rectangle on top of the note. And again, when we're done, we can proceed to the final stage of the retrospective where we will be discussing and choosing action items for our voted notes. The layout here is changing so that we have our voted notes ordered from the most voted to the least voted on the left of the screen, and there is an area on the right to add our action items. As I can see here, we both voted on more pairing sessions, so I'll be adding an action item for that. Um, oops. And based on our discussion, um, I will be adding a note to remove Wednesday meeting, which Nikos found exhausting and I thought was long too, and communicate. Also, as you can see here, we have set up the Jira integration. So by clicking this button up here, we can add this action item as a Jira ticket. Let's keep that for now. And now that we're done, I can click finish to conclude the retrospective. With the retrospective concluded, all participants will receive an email with the action items, the notes list, and which were the participants to take further action. So this was a quick overview of the basic functionality. Feel free to explore more on what you can do with a retrospective meeting, like setting pre-existing activities or creating new ones, and having a retrospective asynchronously or synchronously per stage with your team and more. That's it for me. Thank you and happy retrospectives.